Let's not drop this. All right, so we're going to flush the main, the power steering. So I put a new pump on. The pump kind of went out. Before we replaced the pump, the fluid was pretty black. So I'm assuming that there's a ton of contaminants inside of the steering rack, you know, and whatnot. So I haven't checked it since I put the new pump on. So all you have to do is kind of, you open this up, actually put some gloves on. All right, so to check this, you know, all you need to do is basically take the cap off your power steering and then just go ahead and take a look at it. So as you can see, there's some dark material in there. As you touch it, you can see that black. I don't know if you can see that. Basically, it's telling me that it's dirty. So what we're gonna do is, just for preventative maintenance, because the last thing I want to do is make that pump go bad, let alone the steering rack. So we're going to flush the power steering fluid. So first we're gonna drain this, put a bottle up to here, and then go in there. So we're gonna use this brake fluid bleeder kit. Basically, it's a vacuum that can suck fluid out. We're gonna use this to kind of clean the old fluid inside of there. All right. So first, we're going to empty out the fluid in here. Yeah. I don't know if you can see in there. You can see how dark a fluid is. So definitely have some gross power steering here. Aha. Do have one more. All right. Is the nipple for the brake nipple, but we'll just cut that off. So now I've actually got a straight tube here. So basically this uses the compressed air to suck it up. So you just stick that in there. You just see the fluid going through there. It's our line. Let's not drop this. So then all we're gonna do is put this guy down here. We have the return line removed and going into the container. You get one of these really cheap kind of earplug kind of guys. And do is just kind of roll that up. And then we're just gonna kind of stick that right in there. So, cool. So we're just using that to plug that. And now we're going to grab some clean. So ATF. So Toyota uses typically recommends ATF fluid for the power steering. So we grabbed this. So to import multi-vehicle, ATF. It's about .3. Also meets ATF 3, 2, T2, Mercon, Dextron 3. Yeah, so this is Dextron 3 is basically what we need. So yeah, so this is perfect. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill this up with some fresh fluid, and then basically chalk the wheels back and forth to pump the fresh fluid through the system and into the container, so we can get all the bad stuff out of there. So grab a funnel here. Yep, so that's what we want. That good, nice, clean red color right there. So that's what it's supposed to look like. If you remember when we looked at the fluid, so it's supposed to be that red color, but you see how it is right now. That's what it looks like right now. Absolutely disgusting. Not what we want. So we're gonna go ahead and fill this up. Some clean fluid. Is it coming out?
Yeah.
All right.
I guess you needed to do it harder.
Huh?
Did you need me to do it harder?
Let's see. How is the level on this? Oh yeah, it's pretty low already. This thing is full. Do that guy. So fill this back up.
How many of these do you have?
One more. Should be good. See, look, so that fluid is red, right? Now look how nasty this is gonna be. It's like just poo color. Here, let's see how much is in there. Make sure I don't overflow. All right, okay. Ooh. All right, you ready, man?
Yep.
Yep. Actually, hold on. Let me grab the other bottle real quick. Okay, go ahead. Okay. Go ahead. All right, so got all the fresh fluid out, it's coming red. Now we're just gonna take the plug out. Put this guy on. Put this clamp back on. All right, just make sure we're topped off. All right. Let's start her up and see how she's doing.
All right, no air bubbles.
Good. Wow, so easy now.